Is the call option missing on TikTok? In this video, I'll show you a few things you can check to see if the feature is available on your account. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy and select Direct Messages. Make sure your direct message settings allow communication with your friends. Now go back to your messages and open a chat with someone you're connected with. If the TikTok calling feature is available for your account, you may see a phone or call icon inside the chat. Keep in mind that TikTok's voice calling feature has been reported as a limited test, so it may not be available to every account or region yet. If you don't see the option, first open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and make sure the app is completely updated. Then restart TikTok and check the chat again. Also, make sure you and the other person can message each other normally. TikTok's direct message features can have account and age-related availability restrictions. If the call option still doesn't appear after updating the app, there may simply be nothing you can enable manually. TikTok can control the availability of new features by account, region, or testing group. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.